Hello, welcome to another Unreal Engine tutorial. So in the previous video, we have seen how to create the line trace by channel so that we can apply the damage from the weapon. So now in this video, we're going to see how to add the sound effects and particle effects for the weapon and as well as like for footsteps. So these are the sound files which I'm going to use for the audio effects. And also if you want to download the Muzzle Flash, go to the Epic and here you download this Infinity Blade effects. In this we can get the Muzzle Flash and the bullet impact particle effects. So just I have already added to the project. So just you need to click on this add to project and select your project which you are working on. And these are the effects which I have imported into the project, and just we will import the audio files as well. So these are the sound files which I'm going to use for this tutorial. So this is a bullet impact effect, and this is a footsteps, and this is a weapon sound. So first we will add the muzzle flash. So go into this infinite blade effects, search for cascader. So as it is using the cascader, so cascader, let's say we will search for muzzle flash. So I think this is a file. Yeah, so this is a file which I'm going to use. So in order to add the muzzle flash effects, let's open the character blueprint. And also before creating the effects, one thing I'm going to add. So if you click on this play, and when we shoot, I want the body should be a little bit vibrate, the recall kind of animation. So we will add the shoot animation for this before adding the muzzle flash. So already we have this animation. So if you go into this iron sight, so we have this thing. So we need to retarget this animation to our character. So right click, retarget animation. So we can select survival character and just search for fire thing. Yeah, this one, and just export animations. And if you want, you can create a new folder, name it as animation. Okay, we can rename laterly. So export. So we got this animation. So what we want to do is just we want to convert into like montage. So right click, create animation montage. So we need to add this montage. So go into survival, our character blueprint. So I think we can add the montage before the line trace. So what I will do is just I will select everything, and here play animation montage, and skeleton is our character, and select the montage. So I will select this montage and click on here. So now we will see this. So now it's shooting. We are getting this animation. When we aim, also it's shooting. Yep. So everything is working fine now. So next what we'll do is we will add the muzzle flash to the weapon. So just we will go to the character blueprint here. So just I will make some space. And now here create the emitter. So from the montage, type spawn emitter attach. So we want to attach this muzzle flash to the socket from the weapon here. So what we need to do is just we need to copy this same muzzle flash, Control C, the socket name, and just press Control V here. So this is a location where the line trace is going to spawn. So the same location I'm going to use to spawn the muzzle flash. So here the component, I will add this node, the weapon component here, and we'll select the template. So just if you go to this content browser here, this is a muzzle flash which I'm going to use. So select this, and here like browse this thing here, and remaining rest of everything is fine. So we'll see once. Yep, so everything is working fine, but we need to decrease the size of this muzzle flash, and also we need to rotate it little bit. So what I will do is just we'll go to the rotation. Just in y-axis we can type 100. So it depends on your requirement, you can use this value. So for this tutorial I'm going to use this 100 value, and also decrease the scale value to 0.1 maybe. So we'll play now. Yep. So now it's working fine. So we are getting a perfect muzzle flash, and we are getting the smoke, and everything is working fine. So now what we need to do is we need to add a sound effects to this muzzle flash also, and also we can add the sound effects for the footsteps, and also for the impact sound. So as we have downloaded the 3 sound files, so we have these 3 sound files. So if you go to this audio, so we have this thing, so impact effect, footsteps, and the weapon sound. So first we'll start with the weapon sound effect. So we can select this. So instead of using this file directly, we will create a meta sound so that we can create some different variations of sound here. So what I will do is just right click audio, create the meta sound here. So let's say we'll name it as meta sound underscore weapon. So we will open this. So from here I will type wave player. So wave player, so here I will take mono, and what I will do is just I will connect this finish to unfinished, and I will connect this mono. Where is the mono output? Yeah, out mono. We have to connect this thing. So here we have to select the asset. So this is weapon sound. So here I will select this weapon sound here. So still you will get the same sound effect. So what we want is, if you want to create a different variations, like every time when we shoot, here there is an option like pitch shift. So suppose if I change the pitch shift now, so let's say if I 1, now we are getting the different sound. Suppose let's say if I type 5, so now see we are getting a very different sound. Suppose if I type 0.5, so here this is a different. So what we want is, we want to make it like a random sound effect. So what I will do is just I will make it 0. So here what I will do is just I will take a random float. So random float, and just I will connect this next, and I will select this to play here. So here we have to type the minimum and maximum value. Let's say from minus 4 to plus 4. So see, now whenever we play, so we'll get a different sound effect here. So we will use this meta sound to create the effect here. So what I will do is go to like character blueprint. So here we can make it play sound at location. So make sound at location, and here I will select that meta sound ms underscore which we have created for the weapon. And now we will see, yes, so we got this sound effect. So here what the thing is, I want to create the attenuation for this sound. So what is attenuation is, so I don't want to play this sound effect to the entire scene. So it depends, suppose if you are playing a multiplayer, so the sound has to be vary, depends on the distance between the player here. So what I will do is just I will create an attenuation. So right click audio, here there is an option sound attenuation. Let's say we will name it as sound attenuation underscore weapon, or like generic. So what I will do is, so here double click and make sure you can use these values, inner radius and outer radius. So let's say inner radius I will make it to like 1200 or something. Fall of distance we can make it to 500 or something. So it depends. So now what we have to do is, we need to apply this attenuation to this thing. So what I will do is just we can select the meta sound and go to the source, and here we can select the attenuation. So attenuation we have created the generic. Okay, so now like, so see, it depends on the camera angle also it's making. So we are getting the different sound effect, but I think we need to increase the fall off distance of this attenuation. So we'll go to this and make it like, okay, let it be like 3000 or something. So now we are getting a nice mono sound, like stereo sound effects here. So now we will add this impact sound effects also. So this is a bullet impact sound effect, and also if you want you can decrease the volume here in the blueprint, and if you select you can see there is a volume multiplier, like let's say 0.3 or something. Yeah, so now, yeah, this is fine. And now if you want to create the impact sound effect, so what I will do is just I will duplicate this thing, make it like impact, okay, impact sound effect. So this sound we need to go to this here, like at the apply damage point. So what I will do is same, play sound at location, and ms meta sound, this is the impact. And also make sure we need to change the sound here, so select this, and here we need to change the impact sound. So this is a bullet impact effect, so I will select this. In impact, change the volume, and now so we need to set the location. So here from the line trace we are getting the impact point. Yeah, this is the impact point, so make this location, and now we'll see. So we are getting that impact sound effect. I think we need to like decrease the impact sound effect 0.5 or something. I think we need to increase a little bit sound for this. So here 0.7 maybe, yeah, 0.7. Yep. See, we are getting that impact sound effect, and now we can add the like a footstep sound. So what we'll do is we need to go to the animations which we are using. So what I will do is I will select this mesh and go to the animation blueprint. So here we need to select this idle walk. So what are the animations we are going to use? So this is a walk animation. Yeah, so this is idle. Sorry, we need to add the sound effect for the walk and run. So this is a walk, so we need to find the walk animation. I think this is a, yeah, this is a walk animation. So here we need to create the sound effect. So it depends on the footstep. So what we'll do is, let's say here, so what I will do is just right click and notify play sound. Okay, so here we need to select, and the same attenuation, so we need to create the attenuation meta sound for the footsteps as well. So what I will do is just I will search for this meta sound. Okay, yeah, so I will duplicate and make it footsteps, and this thing need to be changed. So select the footsteps and here change the sound. Okay, so what I will do is just I will add these footsteps in this animation here. So this is a walking animation, and in this sound we need to select the footsteps. Okay, so footsteps meta, and we can copy, Control C, and we need to paste here. So paste, right click, paste. Yes. Okay, see, we are getting this sound, and also we need to add for running as well. So this is a running, I think so, yeah, here. So same we can paste as we are copied from the previous animation. So select and also paste here. Yeah, so now we'll see. So see, now we are getting the footstep sounds, and running we are getting. So now we have added the sound effects. So in the next video we will see how to add the AI character, and we can apply the damage to the AI here. So see you in the next video.